Yes, and this poem is titled Sunshine of My Life. Life isn't always sunshine, and it isn't always rain. Some days bring laughter and joy, while some of them bring stress and pain. We make mistakes, we learn lessons, we fall down and stand again. The people we love, the people we love may come and go, but the memories remain. Life is early mornings and late night dreams that grows and plans that change. It's like working hard for something better, even when the road feels strange. I'm nervous.
That's okay, you guys. Come on. Come on.
There will be moments of success and times when things don't go your way. But every challenge shapes who you are as a person and help you grow each day. Life is not about being perfect. It's about doing your best, taking chances, and making memories and finding peace through every test. In the end, life is a journey filled with stories that hasn't been told, and the small moments we often overlook can be worth more than gold.
Yes, come here. Yeah, you